Right, I don't know what it's showing, but hopefully my horse can't really see it. What are we doing? Who does this for fun? According to this, please don't trot. According to this, that's the way home, so we go this way. You want to swap? Swap sides? For a change?
Yeah, no, terrifying stones. Just, yeah.
She doesn't like the walls, she doesn't like the other side. Oh, as well, Woody, when I was at Recife, had to be led into the arena.
When?
And she went, oh, is he young? I went, no. I said, he's gone in through the Monsell Trail tunnel. So he's just being a dick.
Is that tree down?
Yeah, that's come to this side. I'll look at the map now. Woody can sense something. I feel good so far. From what I read, this could be an old road that went to the old farms here before it became a...
Well, it's probably very old Roman,
yeah.
How it's been built.
Yeah, before they started mining lead here.
She's proper.
Check my girth.
Today.
Right. I'm going to turn you off for a bit until we see the...
But I feel like if she can't see it, slip.
Yeah, it's all slippy. Let's just take it steady. If we're going to canter, let's canter uphill.
Yeah.
We want something that sheep have grazed, don't we? Yeah. Come on, Yenta. I don't even know if... Fuck know if I'm filming you or not. Titty Mountain? Where? I don't think you can see Titty Mountain. Yeah. No, I won't get too wet and cold. I'll get in the hot tub after. Yes, I bet it's keeping her head down though. You can see for once. Even Woody, book me in for a dressage test. Immediately. Oh yeah. Right, I'm going on to this path because I don't know which way we're going. I can't find us on the map. Oh, we need to go that way a bit. This is why people don't come in March. Oh, there's a big hole! There's a big hole! Ooh! Oh, it hurts! It hurts me! Yeah, I just need to get away from this. Jesus Christ! Oh, it's in my ear as well. Oh, sorry. Go through the water. Yeah, good boy. Oh my God, I will be at badminton this year, Shelley. I don't need your ticket. So's your horse. Oh, splashy horse. Oh. My horse is... Well, let's see how far we get. Like you say, it might stop. It might... It wasn't the nicest. It's not even raining, it's hailing. Oh, it's on my neck. Fuck off. Oh, it's a road. I will. I think we might need to be up there, but I don't know. You keep an eye out, cars. Oh, we're on the homeward track actually. We should be up there, but I'm quite glad we're fine here. And what will happen is we'll keep going up this road and then eventually we'll meet the track.
To be fair, if it's like this, we'll really do a short ride and not off. But
yeah.
There's some blue sky over there, but look all the way
We
around.
are going that way.
Look all the way around us, it is black.
Yeah, but it's an
for a bit.
Oh yeah, it's an experience, isn't it?
I'm just thinking.
Dead because he's like, don't move. Oh, Oh, new issue. I feel like I've pissed myself. Hey, I tell you what, my feet aren't wet or cold. Oh, the car's gone. I don't know where it's gone, but it feels like I've pissed myself. Well, we should be on the top of that thing on the left now, but I'm glad we're not. I tell you what though, the scenery, if we could see it, would be quite nice, wouldn't it? Gonna go on that track?
Do you want to have a look on the map?
Yeah.
Pull in here.
Bums to the wind. Yeah, it's in the quarry. My phone's useless. I can't even unlock it. Do you want a cider?
Not right now. Oh god. Bum trip, boys and girls.
Ah, fucking hell. Carry on down this road, then the track's on the right, and we can go straight on the homeward course if we carry on to the right, and we'll just get home basically. Fucking hell.
Oh, I need to get the traverse.
We're gonna have to.
Oh my god, I don't know about this.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Steady, really steadily. Yeah, no, she's not. That's it. We're going home now. I don't know if I want to sit in the hot tub just yet in this weather.
Let's go.
Okay.
Typically it stops now. Oh, look at a monument over there. Just a bit of snow.
Look at my sleeve.
Yeah, I'm sure it's not.
Look at it on the ground. Go if I can up there. What are we doing? Who does this for fun? My horse is not happy. We'll do this again next year, yeah? I can imagine. Undulating ground ahead. Right, what do you want to do? Go right and then left, or go up here? I think closest to home is this way. Oh, it feels like I've wet myself. Trying to get in front for a bit yet.
All I really want to do is have a canter, but that is not the
No, we'll canter at home. Done. I'm still recording, I think, so you can just. I don't know. I can just. I don't know. Yeah, it's nice. Why are we so stupid?
No.
Yeah, but at least my coat's not wet.
At least my majority of my body is kind of dry.
Oh, is it? The only bit of my body that's dry is underneath my tits. Oh yeah, actually, hold on. My feet are dry. Left, I think, or straight on, I don't know. Yeah, and you just flicked hailstones at my face. You alright? Luke, where you going, Mud? It's like I want to be up yenter dash. Good boy. It's so lovely.
Blue sky now.
Oh, fucking hell.
Ready to go home. My hands are cold. Yours are freezing.
I've got my good gloves on.
Hey, when we get back, we can play a game.
I'll play a game. Sit by the fire.
I think I'm getting the hot tub again.
I'm going to have a proper shower, I think, and wash my hair.
I need to wash my hair.
Oh, yeah, mind you, then I'll be getting in the hot tub, yeah. Steady. Do not be fanning her out with Yenta. Yup. My knickers are wet. Well, I haven't pissed myself. It's not a problem. It's just wet. I'll be okay. I've been colder. I don't know, but I can't check.
It's back to the road, isn't it?
Yeah. I can't check because my hands are useless. And it's not operating my phone. Because I've got a screen protector on that means it doesn't really work. And we went to the mound and saw the quarry. Exactly. It wasn't the ground, Shelley, it was the sky. No thanks. The sky is not cooperating with our plans. Oh, my hands are starting to hurt. My face is fine now, my hands are not cool. Yeah. Oh, we've not got to walk down this massive fuck off hill again, have we? I feel like we'd be quicker going across the mountain. Yeah, but haven't we got...
This is not the biggest bit of it, we've done it already.
Okay.
That's a bit behind.
In front for a bit. So I got my video on, there's no point me just videoing Woody's ears. Come on, hands. Yeah, look at the view. Look at the view. Oh!
This is grim.
I'm gonna put my hand in to warm it up in my belly. Ah, don't bite her. Don't bite her. Oh, that's nice. I put my hand in my trousers to warm it up. That's good. Oh! Oh! Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. I hope it's not like this when I'm trying to drive home. No. Oh, fucking hell. Who does this for fun? Me, you. What's wrong with us?
Do you want to come on holiday?
Do you want to go down here and let his car go? Probably wants to come here.
Everyone's so kind, like he was going to wait for us.
I know, they're so kind. Right, I'm putting my other hand in my belly now to warm it up. Oh yeah, that's nice. Fucking hell. Bear! Fuck you and your fluffy coats. Oh! What do you mean? Oh yeah, we should have gone up them mountains. That's the Clwydian Mountains, isn't it? Clwydian Mountains. At least we're enjoying what we're doing anyway, we're having a good time. It's good for the horses' fitness. It's having a general good time. No. Yeah. What we have done is got out, which is more than some people would do. And I said that I thought it would piss down every day, and today's the first day we've got piss wet through, so it's not that bad really, is it?
And you said this morning that you'd like to ride the path.
I did it, yeah, exactly.